Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Evans Garage. Today I'm working on my wife's car. It's a 2003 BMW X5, and I just wanted to make a quick video today showing how I'm repairing the windshield washer fluid reservoir. So the issue that I'm having in this car, at least, hey Earl, in this car at least, what I noticed is just after we bought the car, I noticed that the windshield washer tank reservoir cap was missing. So what I actually did was I hopped on Amazon and bought one for cheap. They were like, I don't know, $8, and then I put it on and fully seated just like that. And then the next time I went in the engine bay, I noticed that the cap had completely blown right off, and I found it down in underneath the exhaust manifold here. Luckily I didn't lose it. So I thought that was kind of odd, but I put it back on again, tight like this, and then this time it had stayed on, but what had happened this time is the windshield washer reservoir tank had pretty much leaked out in its entire contents through one of the hoses. I think it was around here or this one on the driver's side. But basically what had happened is the tank had overpressurized, and it had leaked out, from the weakest link in the system. So from doing some reading online, and what I actually had found out and determined is it's not just the reservoir and then the cap. What you have to do is there's a strainer that goes in between the reservoir and the cap that allows ventilation to occur in the windshield washer tank reservoir. So what I did was I hopped online and I bought this part from ECS Tuning. So if you go onto their website and punch in that part number, again, this is ECS Tuning. Basically, this is a strainer, but on the edges of it has built-in, gaps for ventilation. So that way, when you close the lid, the system doesn't overpressurize and you lose your fluid or blow your cap off in some cases. So I'm gonna take this out of the package and I'll install it. Okay, so just as easy as this, we have our ventilation cap replacement. Just pushes right in. And here you can see, now that it's seated in there, you see the ventilation holes on the four sides here. And then that way when we put our cap down, get that seated, the air still has room to flow out from underneath the cap sides. Like that. From underneath the cap sides. So our ventilation cap is fully installed there. We'll top up the system and then we're good to go. Thanks for watching. Cheers.